más o menos qué tamaño debe de tener.
Hoy te voy a contar unas 7 opciones.
These turn on their own, and they don't have a battery, and they don't have a charging cable. They're solar powered. And then it's floating in liquid in there.
What liquid they have in the water?
I'm not sure what the liquid is, but it's enough of it that it keeps it floating on the inside. And so you can actually roll it like that, because the outside shell is moving, but the picture stays still. And this one is fisheye view. It's a fish's view from inside his fish bowl. And all the little,
Beautiful.
yeah, in the room that he lives in. And the cat who's hungry.